In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Alabama, especially if you're looking to start a business, even if you're a complete beginner. So let's get started. Now, before we begin, let's clarify what is an LLC. Okay, so basically it is a popular type of business structure, especially for small businesses and online entrepreneurs because it's simple and flexible. These are some of the advantages that you can have if you create an LLC in Alabama. You have competitive filing fees, business-friendly environment, asset protection and flexibility, and of course, a recent tax relief. Now we need to choose and reserve the LLC name, and that should include any of the following: limited liability company, LLC, or L.L.C. Now you want to make sure that no one else is using that business name in Alabama. So I need you to head over to the Alabama Secretary of State website, which is sos.alabama.gov, and then hover down below where you can see the option that says Business Services. And then from here, click the business entity and name search, and then click the entity name. This will forward you to a new page wherein type in your business name and click the search button. If there are no matches, that means your business name is available and good to use for your LLC. If you want to reserve the name online, it'll cost you $28. But it's super fast because it's like 24-hour processing. If you're not in a hurry and want to save money, you can choose it to reserve by mail instead, which is around $10 to $25. And this is mandatory before filing your formation documents. Once you've finalized the name for your LLC, it's a smart move to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. After that is filing and submitting the certificate of formation. You just have to submit the original documents of your certificate of formation to the Alabama Secretary of State. Now, there's going to be a filing fee of $200, which is required at the time of submission. Please take note that the standard processing time can take up to 6 months, which is super long, right? But for a faster turnaround, which is around 10 to 14 days, you need to pay an expedite fee of $100, which is a lot, right? Another crucial step is appointing a registered agent. They play a crucial role when forming an LLC. You can hire a person or a company which is going to be responsible for important legal and government documents on behalf of your business, such as lawsuits, tax notices, and official state correspondence. Now, you want to make sure that your registered agent must have a physical street address within the Alabama, not a P.O. box. And having said that, the next thing is you'll need to create an operating agreement. You can draft one yourself, though it can be a lengthy process, or you can use online legal services like LegalZoom, which we will discuss shortly. And then next is you need to obtain an EIN or an employer identification number, which is like a social security number for your business. All you have to do is visit the IRS website's EIN application page, complete the online form, and obviously you'll get your EIN immediately after submission. And of course, you need to ensure you register for any necessary Alabama business licenses and file your initial business privilege tax return to remain compliant. You see, traditional filing, while it's cost-effective, it really is time-consuming, full of paperwork, and can be really stressful. Now, hiring a registered agent is more efficient, yes, but it can get expensive. Now, what if I told you there is a better solution using a formation service called LegalZoom? LegalZoom is an online legal service company that helps people form businesses and handle other legal paperwork without having to hire an attorney or a registered agent. They guide you through these steps to create a corporation, nonprofit, especially LLC, and other business entities in any state in the US including Alabama. The good news is if you haven't signed up with LegalZoom yet and want to support our channel, you can use our affiliate link in the video description, which will forward you to a new page. If you want to do the work yourself, you can go to the basic plan, but it's kind of limited. And if you wanted to have more options, you can go and upgrade to the Pro plan, which gives you all these perks and benefits. But to unlock all the tools and features, you might want to go to the premium plan. Whichever plan you wanted to go to, remember you can use our affiliate link, which is in the video description. Let's say you choose the first option. What will happen is you need to choose the name of your business. For example, I'm going to be choosing this here. Now, if you wanted to skip that, you can do so. But for now, I'm going to click the next button. And of course, you need to choose the state that you wanted to register your LLC. And that's going to be Alabama. Click the next button. And then you need to provide a business email, which is optional, and a phone number. But for now, we're going to click the next. And then you need to select an industry that your business is going to be a part of. For example, is it going to be like 3D printing, accessories, acupuncture, admin support, adult entertainment, aerial photography? Basically, there's a lot. In our case, I'm going to be choosing affiliate marketing because we have an affiliate link which you can use in the video description. I'm going to click the next button. And then from here, you see that there are a lot of information involved, but do not be overwhelmed because LegalZoom is here to help you out. Okay, so if you wanted to have a personalized notifications, fast and easy filings, peace of mind, you can do so. You can select a plan, but for now, we're going to click the no thanks. These are added services. Now, as you may notice, you can save time and money on essential documents by having all these. If you're not sure and decided yet, do not be afraid to click the no thanks. Now, when you form an LLC, it's also a wise decision opening a separate business bank account because it protects you legally, simplifies finances, and helps your LLC grow professionally. Now, you can choose from any of the following. You can choose Mercury or Bank of America. But if you don't want it for now, click the no thanks button. And you have more information around here. Now, if time is of the essence and you wanted to get your business going already, you might want to go to the one-day expedited processing along with the founder's kit. But if you don't want that, click the no thanks and click the next button, which will forward you to a new page. As you can see, using LegalZoom is very straightforward, a hassle-free experience, and hands down the easiest way to go. So there you have it. Registering an LLC in Alabama doesn't have to be complicated. From checking your business name with the Alabama Secretary of State, reserving your domain, appointing a registered agent, to obtaining your EIN, each step is crucial to start your business on the right foot. But if you want a truly hassle-free experience, using LegalZoom is hands down the easiest way to go. They guide you through every step, handle the paperwork, and make you sure your LLC is set up correctly so you can focus on growing your business instead of worrying about filings. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.